Imagine a world where AI seamlessly handles your business needs. Our platform integrates creative tools, business intelligence, and technical capabilities, revolutionizing your workflow. Get ready to embrace the future of business. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Effortlessly create SEO-optimized blogs and articles with AI. Generate platform-specific social media content tailored for Instagram, Twitter, and more. Automate email marketing and ad copy creation, saving you time and boosting efficiency. Our AI tools craft engaging content that resonates with your audience. From creative writing to e-commerce product descriptions, the possibilities are endless. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on creativity. Craft professional pitch decks and RFP proposals with ease. Develop comprehensive marketing plans and call scripts that captivate your audience. Manage meetings efficiently with agendas, minutes, and follow-ups, all powered by AI. Our platform ensures your business documentation is top-notch. From sales scripts to training materials, streamline your processes and enhance productivity. Let AI transform the way you handle business documentation. Convert text to speech with AWS Poly, offering 15+ neural voices. Transcribe speech to text with multi-language support, ensuring accessibility. Analyze documents and translate languages seamlessly, breaking down communication barriers. Our NLP services provide advanced document processing capabilities. Extract insights from financial documents and automate data extraction. With AI, transform how you interact with and understand your data. Conduct strategic planning with business valuation tools. Generate app ideas and plan vacations with AI assistance. Access industry-specific solutions and market research, empowering your business decisions. Our platform offers tools for comprehensive business intelligence. From financial projections to market analysis, make informed decisions. Let AI guide your strategic planning and unlock new opportunities. Distribute content on 9+ social media platforms effortlessly. Create podcasts and YouTube Shorts with ease, reaching wider audiences. Build websites and automate content syndication, maximizing your online presence. Our multi-platform publishing system streamlines content distribution. Optimize content for each platform, ensuring maximum engagement. Let AI handle the logistics while you focus on creating impactful content. Generate SQL queries and API documentation with AI precision. Plan system, designs, and test strategies, enhancing development workflows. Manage data conversion and project planning, streamlining technical processes. Our platform offers developer-friendly tools for seamless integration. From code generation to deployment guides, support your technical needs. Let AI enhance your development processes and boost productivity. Experience an all-in-one platform with AI-first features. Enjoy enterprise-ready tools and multi-platform publishing capabilities. Benefit from AWS integration and developer-friendly tools all in one place. Our platform stands out with its comprehensive functionality. From content creation to business intelligence, we cover it all. Let AI transform your business operations and drive success. Recap. We've explored AI's role in content creation, business intelligence, and technical tools. By leveraging our platform, you'll streamline operations and enhance productivity. Embrace AI to revolutionize your business. Takeaway, by integrating AI into your workflow, you'll unlock new efficiencies and opportunities. Our platform empowers you to focus on innovation and growth. Let AI be the catalyst for your business transformation. Call to action, ready to transform your business with AI? Start your journey with us today. Explore our platform and discover how AI can revolutionize your operations. Let's innovate together. Join our community of forward-thinking businesses embracing AI. Sign up now and experience the future of business. Together, we'll redefine what's possible with AI-driven solutions. Thank you for watching. Remember, the future of business is here and it's powered by AI. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock new possibilities. See you on the platform.